Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to share with you this trade. Very beautiful trade. It's like 4RR. Yeah, it's a very simple trade, very simple concept. I'm gonna be honest, transparent, and straight to the point. Yeah, so basically let me just jump right into the 4 hour, because here I'm gonna do my analysis. So basically it's very simple concept, guys. So what do we have here? We do have here, this is like fair value gap ICT thing, yeah. But anyway, I checked this this kind of type of entries on other channel by implemented in my trading strategy. So let's just get right into the video, guys. So what do we see here? We clearly can see the price action goes down. Yeah, very simple concept, and it's very beautiful because it makes like low highs and low lows. That was the concept, yeah. So you can see literally it's going down. Basically what I did expect here, I'm gonna show you. That's the Friday's price action. Yeah, we had like the non-farm payroll. So what I was expecting to break this candle high, either this one. Yeah, very simple concept. So what happened? What happened? Very simple, guys. Came above, beautiful. It was kind of going into the uptrend until here. You see this beautiful momentum. It's very beautiful momentum, yeah. And here we kind of had like fair value gap, or whatever people call it, yeah. So that's what happened. I put here literally my entry, my stop loss. It was about this high, and my target was this low, literally this low. And what actually happened, to be honest, I didn't enter this trade, don't get me wrong, I didn't place it, but I just made the analysis, yeah. And I left like that, the price action open, and that's beautiful how this setup played out, literally to the peak, yeah, and went straight to the downside. It was a beautiful setup. It was a very beautiful setup, and I hope, guys, this kind of strategy will implement you, yeah. And you can find different ways of these setups. It can be happen like a lot of times on the 4 hours. So basically you can just check like the previous day, for example, even right here, yeah. You can check right here, for example, and just check what happens into this area, yeah. It's very beautiful concept. Give a try. Let me see. Yeah, you see, this was, look at this. So basically what it could happen here, I see here a fair value gap, yeah. But unfortunately this would be a losing trade. $6R would be a losing trade, and here we can see the second trade would work out perfectly fine. And I don't really care, guys, about the all this stuff, yeah. And to the fact that we already made this low, I'm gonna wrap this one, so it's 364. Played out very beautifully, guys. So you can implement that into your trading. This sort of, I'm talking about entry. So sorry, guys. So yeah, guys, that was the seed for today, and see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna share all my knowledge that I know in this industry. See you guys in the next video.